Hello everyone, welcome to our Sensei living room. This is Alice.
This is Nina.
We will talk about our lathe machine for everyone. Okay.
Hey Alice,
Let's
do
go.
you know how can we introduce our CNC lathe?
Okay. Today we will talk about our lathe machine from three parts. Part 1 is our flat lathe introduction, and part 2 is our application industry, and the last one is our factory ability. And let's go. Part 1 is our flat lathe introduction.
This is the outside appearance. You can see the machine appearance, and the right picture is CNC control system.
Yes, and this is a video to show our flat lathe. Okay, you can see the video. You can see our lathe machine.
This is the inside appearance.
Yes. And the color is white. Okay. Let's go.
This is our specific model and parameter. The model is H32I and H36, H46, and you can see the parameter. You can see the parameter max swing overbed. The H32I is 320, and the H36 is 360, and the H46 is 460. And you can see some parameter. The X and Z axis traveled, and the spindle nose, and the bar and max spindle speed.
Yes.
再说来吗？
And for the H32I and H36 and 146, the truth is also for truth. Yes. And we can see the video of H32I. The video introduces our Sensei H32I lathe machine. Okay. Okay, we can see our lathe machine in our fixed factory.
You can see the CNC control system, and the work table, and the cooler system.
Yes, and for our sensing list, the standard sensing system is GSK. Yes.
This is the smallest.
Yes. Minimal precision machine. A GSK control system.
Inside the work table and the truck.
Yes. We can see the work table is flat. Yes.
You can see the side window. The processing.
Yes.
This is a hydraulic system and electronic system.
Yes.
Our electronic system is neither electric.
It's our own machine. Yes. We can see the
hydraulic
yes.
station.
We can see the many flight machine in our factory. For the table is flat. Yes. Okay, let's go. Yes.
And we have another model is ALCK 6130 and ALCK 6140. You can see the parameter.
Yes.
And the torrent type of the ALCK 6130 is 4 rows of tools.
Yes.
You can see there.
Yes. And for the ELCK 6130, the octable height is 300 millimeters. And for the CK6140 machine, the mixed bed is 400 millimeters. Yes, and for the XY axis travel, the CK6130 is yes is 300 millimeters by 315 millimeters. Yes, and for the CK6140, the X axis travel is 218 millimeters, and the D is mixed travel is 515 millimeters to 715 millimeters. Yes, and for the spindle hole, the CK6130 is 14 millimeters, 14.8 millimeters, and for the CK6140, the is 14.8 millimeters, and the mix is 18.2 millimeters. Yes. Yes. And for the ALCK series is our hard track synthesis. Yes, we can see the picture. This is control system. We can see the video about ALCK 6140. The machine is also in our factory. Yes, we can see the truck and the hard gateway synthesis. It's very fast.
This is simple.
Yes. And okay, let's go. And for our flight lights, we also have ALCK 6150 or 6160. And okay, we can see the table and the our CK6150 by 2000 millimeters, and for our CK6160 by 2 millimeters. Yes, and for the mixed bed, CK6150 is 500 millimeters, and for the CK6160 is 600 millimeters. Yes,
Yes.
and okay, we can see the picture. A control system. Our sensing this machine, standard control system is on in the GSK sensing system.
Yes,
Yes.
and in the parameter, the turret type is also 4 rows of tools.
Yes.
哎，不对，不是，no 4 rows of tools. The ALCK 6150. The turret type is 4-station electric tool holder.
Oh, yes, I know. And Nina, you know how the CK6150, the SY exact travel, you know?
Yes, the X travel is 218, and the Z travel is 1,500 or 2,000.
Yes. And do you know how about CK6160, the exact travel?
The CK6160, the X travel is 300, and the Z axis travel is 1,000 or 1,500 or 2,000.
Yes. Okay, we have a video of our ALCK6150. Yes.
You can see our 3-jar truck.
And the workpiece. Yes, we can see the truck and this workpiece. Yes, the machine is processing the workpiece. Okay, let's go.
This is
This is our tool and have 4 stations.
4 stations.
Yes, we can see the picture. Yes. And this is also 4 stations. Okay, we can see the picture is 6 or 8 stations. We can recommend the right stations according to customer needs. Yes.
Yes. We have 4 or 6 or 8 stations electrical tool holder.
Yes. And this is our 6th station. Yes. We can see the picture according to customer needs. There are also 8 stations. And so we have 4 stations, 6 stations, and 8. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We also have 12 stations.
Yes. And we can see the video of our troop. If our boss need, we can recommend the right machine for you. And dear friends, if you are interested in this product, please click our link or post a comment in the new room. And we will provide you with support and thank you for your attention. Okay, we can see the video.
This is this is 12th station electrical tool holder.
Yes.
You can see the video.
Okay. And okay. Okay. This part is our truth.
The tools. The tools. In the picture, the tools is we bought for our for one customers was from Serbia, and these customers bought three VMC vertical machine center and wireless from us, so we bought for him some tools.
Yes. And the part is our truck. Yes, we can see the picture. Is a three-door truck. Yes, and different customers have different requirements for trucks. So we can recommend we can process different trucks according to our boss needs. And provide customer with two draw and two and four or six draw or even eight draw trucks. Yes. And we can see the picture in our menu truck, or we can see three draw. And generally speaking, three draw trucks are commonly used in hydraulic trucks and manual trucks. And the size of the workpiece determine the size of the truck according to the size of the workpiece. And whether hollow or thread depends on the processing requirements of the customer's workpiece and whether the spindle through hole is required. And the last one is the shape of the workpiece. It means the shape of the jaws of the truck. Okay, for example,
This is a simple we processing for Germany customers. He will processing the mental readings.
yes. So if you need, we also recommend you that truck. And the part one is our hydraulic truck. Yes, we can see the picture. You can see this. This is the hollow truck.
Hollow truck.
Yes. And
this is basically hydraulic trucks can be installed on standardless according to customers' requirements. There are basically no restrictions.
yes.
This part is he this is he agno not inside the below frame truck, which can be screwed down with the inner He is he eggs egg.
Then scroll down the six notes in the red form. Yes, we can see the picture the right.
So and the truck can be removed.
Yes. So you our boss don't worry. Yes. Okay.
This is our control system. Our standard control system is GSK, and we also can provide other brand control system.
Yes.
Mm.
We can see the control system in our list machine. Yes.
You can see the picture. This is FANUC control system. We can also provide other brand like Siemens. The Siemens model we can provide 84080 and 828D. This is the FANUC control system and Mitsubishi control system. The Mitsubishi control system is Japan brand, and the FANUC is France brand.
Yes.
This is the KND control system and Syntec control system.
Yeah.
The Syntec control system usually used in the gauge milling machine.
Yes. So we can provide the customers with different sensing system according to customer requirements. Yes. The part one is our
Tailstock.
yes.
Generally, the tailstock of flatless is manual, and the tailstock of slatless is hydraulic. Small size machines don't have a tailstock, such as ELH32I.
Yes. And the tailstock of the equipment can be customized in size and size according to customer needs. So like the workpiece can be firmly applied on the tailstock of the requirement. At the same time, the tailstock has three adjustment methods. One is the switch key and the other is the pedal type and the other is remote control type. Yes.
This is you can see the picture is tailstock for the specific machine with or without tailstock. You can confirm whether there is a tailstock parameter according to the parameter table. The parameter table will will marked clear.
Yes.
We will explain the function of the tailstock. It is meaning to fix the long workpiece, prevent the workpiece from moving or during the processing, which affect the processing accuracy.
Yes. We can see the picture. It's very clearly. Yes.
The function of the tailstock.
Yes.
This is a hydraulic system.
Yes. We can see the picture. The hydraulic system in our machine. Okay, we can see the video of our hydraulic system.
照片里可以出现这样。
The video introduces our hydraulic system.
Oh, this is hydraulic station.
Yes.
And
Our truck. Yes. 3-draw truck. And the part one is our lubrication system. Yes.
And you can see the model of the lubrication system, and the brand is 合金. The brand is a domestic brand.
Yes.
The lubrication system model we can provide according the customer's demand. And we
Yes. And the part one is our electrical system. The electrical wiring part will be reviewed by civil engineers to ensure the integrity and zero of the electrical wiring part. Yes. And we can see the video of electrical system.
And our electrical system usually use Schneider. The Schneider's quality is guaranteed, and if you want to change the part of the electric system later, you can buy the part in your local and will save you some time.
Yes. We can see the electrical cabinet. And let's go.
And how to choose the machine? We have three. We have three solutions. One is through workpiece. If you want to process more workpiece, you can use flat lathe, and the inside lathe usually process in larger workpiece. And two is through the accuracy. The inside lens usually has high machine accuracy and strong automation. But flat machine processing accuracy is weak. Automation is poor. And three is through performance. The inside lens has strong bending and torsion resistance, and the spindle speed is stable. For the flat bed, it's easy to cancel vibration when cutting.
Yes. Okay. And part one is our application industry. Yes. Maybe our boss in auto pass.
So you can choose the less.
Yes. And value industry. Yes. Yes.
Wheel industry and hydraulic cylinder.
Yes.
And for the three part, we introduce our factory.
Yes.
For our factory, we are a factory that manufacture more mechanical equipment, and show you a video.
Yes. The video introduced our
factory.
Yes, a flight list. We can see the many flight lists in our factory.
This is
finished.
semi-finished.
And the part is our machine ability aging test. And after all pass processing and secondary bring are complete, we will carry out aging inspection on all parts to ensure that every part can be applied to be equipment with high quality. Yes.
And through the engine test, the machine part can increase the hardness.
Yes. Yes, we can see the picture in our factory main parts. Yes, in aging test.
Yes.
The picture is our tempering.
Tempering is after the production of our machined parts is completed. The technology in the factory will temper the part to 12 20 to ensure the stability of the part or machine part. For example, the underframe of the lathe and many safe product parts are subject to secondary tempering to ensure the high quality of the equipment.
Yes.
Through the tempering, the machine part can increase the hardness.
Yes. The machine bed will be stable. Okay. The part one is our machine ability ending test. Okay, we can see the picture. We will edit the equipment for 72 hours. Yes, for 72 hours. And each unit will be adding when the assembly is complete to ensure that the equipment can operate normally.
Before shipping, we also through the ID tab to guarantee the machine is qualified.
Yes. Okay, we can see the picture. This is our processing area. And this is our processing area. Yes, main path. We can see the main path. Our rush the processing. Yes.
This part is after turning and milling.
Yes. And this area is our finished
processing.
Yeah. Yes.
Finished processing.
And we can see the work is processing. And the worker is 3 minutes. Okay, Ina, you know our machine. Our machine the color is always have white and blue.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, and if the customers have want to other colors, we can also spray painting the other colors.
Yes. And the part one is our spare parts warehouse. Yes, we can see the main parts. And also is also and is our finished product.
And the left picture is our seam finished part.
Yes.
Seam finished.
Yes. We can see the many this machine in our factory.
Yes, and we will ship quickly.
Yes. The machine is packaged. Yes.
And ready to shipping.
Yes.
This is a finished machine.
Yes. Our flat list. Yes.
Before shipping, the engineer will inspect the machine, guaranteeing the machine can be processing. Yeah.
And we will conduct video inspection for each customer and it into a complete machine for customer inspection. So you don't worry, the machine is bad. Yeah. Okay. We can see the our list machine is inspection.
This is a hydraulic station.
Yes.
And we also inspect it.
Yes. Yes. Our tail stick and the
3 trucks.
yes. And we will ship with the old machine. After video inspection, we will pick and ship the old machine. Ensure that the equipment received by the customer is consistent with the equipment personally inspected by the customer. Yes.
The control system and the electronic
Yes.
system we also inspect.
Yes. And Nina, you know our standard control system.
Our stand control system is GSK1.
Yes.
And the electric station is Snyder.
Yes. Yes, we can see our machine inside.
And tail stalk.
Yes.
This is our delivery picture.
Yes. Our machine will be packaged and before delivery. Yes. And we also have a video to show our delivery. The work is packaged. And yes, we can see our machine picking and the delivery to our customer. Okay, we can see the picture from 1 to 4. The machine is packaged. Yes. And the video is our show to packaged. Okay. We can see the car to delivery. Yes. In our factory. Okay, we can see the picture is travel in the to delivery our machine. Yes, and before ship, we will ship with will the own machine and before ship, we will we can see the picture is very
clear.
yes. Yes. And for our and maybe the boss will worry about our series. And Nina, do you know our after series?
Yes, our online after service, we have 24, 24 hours online service. We have 26 English speaking engineer to provide 24 hour after sales service. So the customers don't worry about the service, and our engineer will be the first time answer your questions.
Yes.
In this in this picture, we are the engineer answer the customers in Angola.
Yes.
This is a picture of after sales service in Canada's system.
Yes. And we can see the 20 people, 20 engineers in our WeChat group. Yes. 20 engineers. So, and the WhatsApp group in our Mexico. And so you don't worry language and the different time. We our many engineers in the other time will answer our boss question. And partner the
Local.
factory. Yes.
Local engine after sales service.
Yes.
We have overseas after sales service teams in Mexico, Brazil, and so on the countries. Canada, Russia, Australia, India.
Yes.
We also have.
Yes.
In Moscow, we have a professional engineer, a fossil, who can provide door-to-door service. He has worked for Abingwa for a long time and is a very professional in electrical.
Yes.
So you don't worry. It's if you don't if you have any questions, we can let our local agent to door-to-door service.
Yes. And and our friends or boss, if you are interested in this product, for example, our Lathe machine, please click our link and post a comment in the live broadcast room. And Nina and Alice will provide you with support. Yes, don't worry, our product and our language reach or different time. Don't worry.
Yes,
Yes.
if you interested in our factory and our machine, you can click the link.
Yes. So thank you for your attention.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.